Hello guys, welcome. So today I'm building a file you guys can use for free. So if you look over here, let me open it and run the program to see how it works. So here is the Python file. And when you want to run this Python, so what it does is like a file manager. It helps you to manage your file location and helps you to sort your programs, your file that has a messy folder, and arrange it for you. So let's open one folder that looks messy. Let me see. So I have this folder. You can see that this folder looks kind of messy. So what I'll do is, if I go and run my program on this folder, so what to do, you just come over here, copy the file path, copy. So over here, I'll run this program, run it with Python. So watch what happens. So it asks me enter the folder file name or file path, or just Control V is the folder. Now let's minimize so as to see what's going on. Let's keep it by side. So we have this and we have the messy folder here. So let's watch what happens. So if I run the program by pressing enter, what you can see, it arranges the folder, and here you can see it's moving into others, which is this folder. Is moving this microtik.mp file into others, then moving this PDF to documents. So it created document folder, created archives, it created video folder, and moves all these files and arrange the folder. See how cool it is. So we'll try it on another folder again. So let's go to this folder, this download folder. You see how messy this folder is. Very messy. So before trying it on this folder, let's go back and show you how the code works. So here is my readme file. This is actually on GitHub. You can actually have the link is pasted in the description below for you to have access to download it and try it. Use it as you like. If you have so this actually is on GitHub. So the file program tidy up your messy downloads folder or any folder you have, arrange it, create folder for you based on the file, and stores your file. So here is the program, the code we wrote. So this is the program, import pathlib. Then we have the dictionary that organizes the folder. This is a little bigger. So over here we have the dictionary that organizes our folder data. You can see these are the data types. This is the dictionary that stores all this. Let me try to make alright. So you see dictionary we have here, image is save this file, document is save this, video this, and that's our code. So it's actually in production. This is just version 1. Other versions will be coming out to make it more better. Then the function takes in the file name, checks for the file path, then it looks through the dictionary and then return any files that are not part of this dictionary to others. Then it organizes the folder. This is the organize function that does the organizing. Then this creates category based on the file name, and also this actually moves the file into the folder, and this is actually shows you the summarization report. So this is actually how the folder is. Then this asks for the folder name. So this is actually the part that asks you for the folder name. Then it goes through, check the folder, and this line keeps program keep running. So you can see it keeps running, it stays on the screen, and until we press exit, it now exits. So we'll be running the program again on a messy folder, much messier folder. Like you can see, this folder is very messy. You can see a lot of video files, a lot of zip files, a lot of pictures, very messy folder, a lot of PDF files, a lot of folders that are very messy. So we'll try it. Let me make this list of small icons so we can see it better. So the folder is really messy, or let me make it green. Alright, so you see this folder is really messy. Let's try running our program again and see what happens. So we'll run the program. Now we have this, we push it to one side so we can see how it organizes this messy folder. Now here is it. It's very messy. We'll copy this file path. Click here to copy the file path. Copy, then come over here, paste the file path. You can see it's pasted. I'll hit enter and watch. Look, wow, it just arranged all my folders, all my files. It keeps track of everything that I've done. So thank you guys for watching, and I would like you to actually start the project. It's actually on GitHub. Download the uses that you like, and don't forget to start the project. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.